For installations with a bottom outlet, cut out the opening on the channel with a rotary tool and screw on the bottom outlet connector to the channel. Apply sealant on the groove prior to connecting. When connecting the end cap to the channel, first install the bracket support with wedge. Once the bracket support is snapped into place, snap the top of the end cap to be flush with the channel and slide it into the groove. The first channel is now ready to be leveled and installed. The channel body includes the supports needed to install the rebar. Slide the rebar through each support and level the channel as it's secured to the rebar. The rebar should only be hand tightened to the support. Once the outlet channel section is in place and leveled, the remaining channels can be installed quickly and easily. The ends of the channels feature a tongue and groove. As each channel is installed, place the tongue end into the groove of the first channel and repeat the process of securing and leveling the channel with the rebar. Pro Plus trench drains with slope feature a unique numbering system inside each channel to help guide you through the installation process. If the numbers at each channel joint match, you know it's being installed correctly. When the last upstream channel is leveled and secured, install the end cap in the groove. Make sure to snap the top of the end cap to be flush with the channel. There is a recess in the bottom of the trench drain where the tongue and groove system come together. Josam offers a channel joint rebate insert that snaps into the recess. A bead of sealant can be placed in the recess with or without the insert. Installing the grate is as easy as lining it up over the top of the channel and snapping it down into place. Josam's labor-saving grates feature a shrink-wrap material to protect both the grate and inside the channel during the concrete pour, eliminating the need to cut and install plywood spacers.
Pro Plus trench drains were readily available for my project, and working with Josam's customer service team is painless.
There are many different grates, options, accessories, and designs available with Josam's Pro Plus trench drain system that should be considered for each application. Typical applications include sidewalks, pools, shopping areas, parking lots, loading docks, commercial kitchens, distribution centers, breweries, wineries, airports, and various building facilities. For more information on Josam Company's labor-saving Pro Plus trench drain system, visit josam.com.